Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install Tor Browser on CentOS Stream Linux operating systems. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with CentOS, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor project official website, that is torproject.org. Then click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, both are same. Then select this download for Linux. Wait a moment, see download started and its size is about 118 megabytes. Wait until download completes. It is zip file. Once download completes, then we will unzip and we will install Tor Browser. See download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, CD downloads, ls. See here we have the zip file. We have to unzip. tar-xf, then tor, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name from your keyboard. Then hit enter. ls, see extraction completed, cd tar ls. Now we have to run this tar browser.desktop file // don't give sudo, then start, then press the tab to autofill entire file name from your keyboard, hit enter. Wait a moment, Tor Browser is opening. See you got the Tor Browser. Now click on connect, or if you want to connect always automatically select this, turn on this one, then click on connect. See, it is establishing a connection. See, we have successfully connected and default search engine for Tor Browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Tor Browser on CentOS operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.